Today we are going to conduct our experiment on digital control system, and our aim of the experiment is to study digital control of a simulated system using an 8-bit microcomputer. Here we can see that experiment setup is of two parts. This box is comprises of electronics part, and another one, this one is our digital control kit, and this one is our DSO. In this experiment we will conduct our experiment like one is our process identification, and then digital system closed loop response. For that we will do two type of experiment. One is fixed forward gain variable sampling rate, and another one is fixed sampling rate variable forward gain. And after completing this, we will do our controller design for P, I and D. Okay, so here we have connected the setup for our process identification. We have applied the step input to the process, and we have taken this output for the measurement. Okay, here we have this part is isolated from our in supply. So we will switch on the setup and see the response. Here we can see this is our response with in our process identification process. So we have completed our identification part. Now we will do our digital system closed loop response with fixed forward gain and variable sampling rate. So to conduct that, we have connected the circuit in closed loop method. We have applied step input here at error detector, and through this controller we have applied our supply to this process. So to conduct the experiment, we have to apply a command reset, then go, then we have to apply a address 5000, then fill. So as we are doing our experiment on fixed forward gain and variable sampling rate, so we will put 4 is our fixed forward gain, and remaining we will change from 0 to 16. We have applied 4 as our forward gain and 0 as our sampling rate. With this value, this is our response. Again we have to follow the steps: reset, go, 5000, fill, then fixed forward gain 4, then fill, then sampling rate, let's apply 5. With the sampling rate 5, this is our response. Like this we have to take the reading up to 6-7 reading with this. Okay. Next is our fixed sampling rate and variable forward gain. For that, again we have to follow the steps: reset, go, 5000, fill, H we are doing our fixed sampling rate and different forward gain. So let's put 1 in forward gain and put the delay time as 0 as fixed. With these values, this is our response. Let's increase the values. This should go 5000 fill. Let's put 5 in forward gain and time delay as we are keeping fixed, so 0 in with forward gain 5. This kind of responses coming. So in this step also we have to take 7-8x readings. Next is our proportional integral derivative or PID controller. For that we have to apply a different address which is 5030, but the process is same. Let's see. Reset, go, as our address is 5030, fill. We have to apply a proportional value, P value, then I value. Let's apply 4 and D value. Let's apply 3. Okay. With these values, this is our response. So in this step also we have to take maximum 7-8 readings from starting from 0, and the maximum possible is up to 16.